Yo guys, welcome back to Cryptoria. Today I'm going to be covering basic attention token, but before I do, I'd appreciate if you like, subscribe and turn on bell notifications so you know when I upload. And with that being said, let's get into this video. So what is BAT? So the basic attention token is the token that powers a new blockchain based digital advertising platform designed to fairly reward users for their attention while providing advertisers with a better return on their ad spend. The users can watch privacy preserving adverts and receive BAT rewards for doing so. On the other hand, advertisers can deliver targeted ads to maximize engagement and cut down losses due to ad fraud and abuse. So guys, jumping onto CoinMarketCap, as you guys can see, basic attention token doing pretty well. They are in the top 100, currently at 78. I will be going over the website today. As you guys can see, it is up 8.38% over the last 24 hours. Actually just jumped up, so it's doing pretty well. As you guys can see, the price at the moment is 0.6648, so just underneath that 70 cent mark. The current markup is just underneath that 1 billion, currently at 995 million. Circulating volume is 91 million. As you guys can see, it is max supplied over 100% now. So going over the chart, as you guys can see, it was circulating underneath that 40 cent mark for quite some time. It did surge, passing that, going towards that dollar, and then did go back in this range underneath that 40 cent, and then did go all the way up near that $1.60, and then has been going back down. It has dropped over $1 since then. In terms of where you guys can buy it, best place being on Binance or the actual Brave browser. So I will be explaining. So guys, I've jumped straight onto the basic attention token website just to go over it. So as you guys can see, BAT making crypto and DeFi accessible and usable for everyone. Crypto and DeFi are hard to use, and 330 billion digital advertising industry is failing users, publishers and advertisers. With basic attention token and Brave, we want to take the crypto to the next 1 billion users and solve the endemic insufficiencies and privacy violations hobbling the digital ad industry. So going down, as you guys can see, bringing DeFi to the BAT ecosystem, the Brave wallet, Brave Dex aggregator and the decentralized web. So going down, as you guys can see, the BAT ad ecosystem, so there are users, advertisers and creators, all of which work together in order to get paid. So you're basically getting paid to just literally view videos, literally doing what you normally do on your browser, but this time you're getting paid in basic attention token. So say for example the basic attention token goes up in value, so does your tokens as well. So it's literally a win-win situation. So going down in terms of the growth and in terms of what you guys can see, so the cryptos in terms of where you guys can buy, as you guys can see, they're pretty much on all major platforms. In terms of who's actually behind it, which is really huge as well, being Brendan Ick, I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong, but he is quite big in terms of the sort of software industry. As you guys can see, he's a creator of JavaScript, Mozilla and Firefox and so on. Go ahead and check out LinkedIn. This guy is pretty big in terms of who he is. JavaScript, as you guys know, is a huge coding platform that is used pretty much everywhere nowadays, so he's actually creator of that. So this guy is pretty big, so you know that this team and his team are very knowledgeable in terms of what these guys are doing in terms of the crypto space as well. So he's bringing crypto into the web user interface, so he's doing pretty well. And go ahead and check out the other teams as well. But in terms of the website, that is pretty much the important bit that you need to look out for. But go ahead and check out all this stuff. I've jumped onto the Brave rewards just to give you more insight of what it is. So as you guys can see, Brave rewards, get rewarded for browsing and support your favorite content creators. So this literally means watch your favorite YouTuber, or watch anything on YouTube, or watch anything that you normally do and you get paid. Literally, it's literally a win-win, right? Like literally doesn't sound bad at all. Like literally what you normally do on, like, you say your Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or whatever you guys use, instead of even using watching your normal ads, you'd be getting paid to watch your normal videos. So as you guys can see, why Brave rewards? Your attention is valuable. Earn rewards by viewing previously respected ads and pay it forward to support content creators you love. With your old browser, you paid to browse the web by viewing ads with valuable attention. You spend your valuable time downloading invasive ad technology that transmitted your precious private data to advertisers without your consent. Today, Brave welcomes you to the new internet, one where your time is valued, your personal data is kept private, and you're actually rewarded for your attention. So as you guys can see, this is something that you'll be able to see. So your ads earning are available, you claim it, and you get your basic attention token. So as you guys can see, here is a setup of what you guys can do, monthly payments. So this will be paid into your Uphold account, which I will show you in a bit, and then you either get to keep that, or you can just swap it back out, back to BTC or USD, and then you can take it out. So that's pretty much how it is. So as you guys can see, this is how you'll fund the wallet, and obviously you can add more basic attention token as well. So literally guys, it is a win-win. There's not much to say. As you guys can see, you'll be earning basic attention tokens as well. Guys, I've jumped straight onto Uphold's platform. As you guys can see, here's where you'll be able to see all your basic attention token being transferred into your account. So per month you'll be able to get your basic attention token. Fair enough, it's not a lot that you get literally under like 1 BAT's worth, but you're literally getting paid free tokens. You're getting free crypto for watching your favorite videos. So as you guys can see, at the moment I got a total of around 2.16 BAT, which is around £1 worth over here in the UK, which is around $1 worth roughly as well. So literally, if your basic attention token value goes up as well, so say for example one day basic attention token is worth $5, your total value of BAT goes up as well. So this will be worth $5, and for example if it goes to $1,000, your basic attention token will be $1,000 as well. So literally guys, it's a win-win. Like, you're getting free crypto at the end of the day. So as you guys can see, this is how it look as well. It's very neat as well. It does tell you how many you got. As you guys can see, recently I got basic attention token 4 days ago, so I did get 0.25 basic attention tokens. But you're literally getting free crypto. Like, who doesn't want free crypto? So guys, that is how Uphold works as well with Brave. So that is how it is. In terms of upcoming news, I did pull out this tweet that was tweeted a couple of days ago, in fact, saying just dropped Brave/Origin NFT collection is now live on tabong.brave.com. So they are bringing the NFT space as well. So as you guys know, a lot of people are trying to bring NFTs as well, but not a very well-known sort of platform. So as you guys know, basic attention token is pretty big now, so it's good that they're bringing NFTs into it as well, and actually getting involved with the basic attention token as well. So this should help boost the price up as well. So just something to look out for. So guys, what everyone's been waiting for, the price analysis chart. So guys, this is the long-term projection that I did. So as you guys can see, as I do normally now as well, just drawing out these charts as well. So I did see that it is rejecting this level of fib around that 78.6 level. It actually broken down to 61.8. It didn't actually tap into the 78.6, but I do see it might actually touching this level depending on how the market plays out. It does seem to be ranging quite a bit now as well. So if it does, I do see it rejecting this strongly and this resistance level here around that 50 cent mark before it creating a level of support and then going back towards our all-time high around that $1.70. If it does break this, it might actually break down these resistance levels and then go dropping down towards this trend line here that I did mark out here. So it did touch once, twice, possibly third time around that 20 cent mark, but I don't ever see that happening. But if it does, that is the projection. I like to give you guys a short term and a long term as well. So short term, they go down here around that 20 cent mark. Long term, going back towards our all-time high. In terms of short-term targets, so if you guys are doing day trades such as futures, or just using your normal your forex accounts and stuff like that, so this is what I see. So as you guys can see, I did create that trend line here. So what it will do is either respect it, going back towards these level of support and resistances around that $1, and then either rejecting it, and then going up, going down to retest around that $1 and going back up towards our all-time high. Or what it will do, it'll break this trend line, create a level of supports here, going back up, rejecting this again, going back down, and then creating that level, that level of strong support around that 45 cent mark, and then going back towards that $1, retesting it, and then going back up. So this is just my short-term analysis in terms of, if you guys want to pick up quick profits rather than, long-term holds, you guys can see this is what I think it will gather. Go long shortly for around that $1, rejecting it, going back down around that 80 cent mark, going back up, past that $1 mark, retesting that $1, and then going back up. So long term, in short, being around that $1, towards that $1.70, short term back down towards that 45-cent mark, and then back towards that dollar, back towards that $1.70. So that is my long term and my short term projection, guys. If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on bell notification. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video.